Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers to all pages in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to maintain consistency across multi-page documents, whether you're working with reports, presentations, or any professional materials that require uniform branding or page information. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to add headers and footers to. This will open your PDF and prepare it for editing. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing mode where you can make various modifications to your document. From here, you'll see a range of editing options available in the left panel. In the left panel, click on Header and Footer, then select Add. This opens up the header and footer customization window, which is where you'll configure all the settings for how your headers and footers will appear throughout your document. Navigate to the font section and click the drop-down menu beside Name. Here, select your preferred font that matches your document's style or branding requirements. The font choice can significantly impact the professional appearance of your document, so choose one that complements your overall design. Next, navigate to Size and click the drop-down menu beside it to select your preferred text size. You'll want to ensure the text is readable but not overwhelming on the page. Finding the right balance here is key to maintaining a clean, professional look. You can also customize the text color by clicking the color picker and choosing your preferred color. This allows you to match your organization's color scheme or create visual contrast that makes the headers and footers stand out appropriately. Now, navigate to the Appearance options. Here, you can select whether you want to use left header text, center header text, or right header text. Click on the field you've chosen and type your header text. This positioning flexibility lets you organize information exactly where you need it on the page. Similarly, navigate to the footer section and select whether you want left footer text, center footer text, or right footer text. Click on the field and type your footer text. Many users choose to place page numbers in the footer, but you can add any relevant information your document requires. Once you've configured your header and footer text, click on Page Range Options. This is an important step because it determines which pages in your document will display these headers and footers. In the Page Range Options window, click the circle beside all pages, then click OK. This ensures that every single page in your PDF will consistently display the headers and footers you've just created, maintaining uniformity throughout the entire document. After confirming the page range, click OK to apply all your settings. Your headers and footers are now configured and ready to be saved with your document. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button. This preserves all the changes you've made, ensuring your headers and footers remain part of your PDF file. And there you have it. You've successfully added headers and footers to all pages in your PDF document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.